Vaccine discrimination, understanding the complexities and protecting rights. While vaccines have proven to be a crucial tool in combating infectious diseases, the unprecedented speed of the COVID-19 vaccine development and shifting public health guidelines fueled doubt and skepticism in some segments of the population. This has led to the phenomenon of vaccine discrimination, where individuals face prejudice or differential treatment based on their vaccination status. What is vaccine discrimination? Employment discrimination. Some workplaces have implemented policies mandating vaccination for employees, potentially leading to job termination or restricted opportunities for unvaccinated individuals. Educational barriers. Schools or universities might require vaccinations as a condition of enrollment, limiting access to education for those who choose not to vaccinate. Restrictions on services. Businesses may refuse entry or service to unvaccinated patrons, curtailing their participation in social and economic activities. Social stigmatization. Unvaccinated individuals may experience judgment, ostracism, or negative labeling, affecting their mental well-being and social standing. Reasons for vaccine hesitancy. Concerns about safety. Some worry about the potential side effects of vaccines or question the speed of their development, especially in the case of COVID-19. Mistrust of authorities. Lack of trust in government agencies, pharmaceutical companies, or the healthcare system can fuel vaccine hesitancy and conspiracy theories. Medical reasons. Certain medical conditions or allergies may make vaccination inadvisable for some individuals, raising the issue of reasonable accommodations. Religious or philosophical objections. Personal beliefs, religious convictions, or philosophical opposition to vaccination might influence an individual's decision. The ethical debate. Key points of contention include bodily autonomy versus public good. Does the collective good of reducing disease transmission outweigh an individual's right to make choices about their own body? Equity and fairness. Does differential treatment based on vaccination status create unjust disparities, particularly for marginalized communities already facing systemic barriers? Proportionality and necessity. Are mandatory vaccination policies always a proportional or justified response? Alternatives be considered first. Legal challenges and protections. The legality of vaccine discrimination varies depending on jurisdiction and specific circumstances. Disability discrimination. Laws, such as the Americans with Disabilities Act (ADA), may protect individuals with disabilities who are unable to vaccinate due to medical reasons. Religious freedom. In some countries, laws safeguarding religious freedom may offer exemptions to vaccine mandates if they contravene sincerely held religious beliefs. Privacy rights. Individuals might have privacy rights regarding their vaccination status, limiting how this information can be requested or disseminated. Mitigating vaccine discrimination. Addressing vaccine discrimination requires a multi-pronged approach that prioritizes education, dialogue, and balanced policies. Transparent communication. Public health authorities need to provide clear, evidence-based information about vaccine safety and efficacy. Addressing concerns with empathy and building trust. Respecting diversity of beliefs. Policies should acknowledge and accommodate individuals with legitimate medical or religious reasons for not vaccinating, focusing on harm reduction strategies rather than punitive measures. Avoiding stigma. Public messaging should avoid demonizing or labeling unvaccinated individuals, fostering a more inclusive and understanding environment. Upholding equity. It's vital to ensure that vaccine policies do not exacerbate existing disparities or create additional barriers for vulnerable populations. To learn more about this complex issue, and for tips on protecting individual rights while safeguarding public health, subscribe to our channel.